Did you know the money in your wallet starts its journey in cotton fields? Yes, not regular paper, but cotton. From farms to factories and finally into your hands, the story of how currency is made is truly fascinating. Want to know more? Let's uncover this incredible process together. As the cotton reaches the factory, its journey takes a fascinating turn. This is where the magic happens, transforming soft cotton fibers into the special paper that forms the foundation of currency notes. But how does this transformation occur? Let's dive deeper into this intricate process. First, the cotton bales are unwrapped and fed into large industrial machines. These machines shred the cotton into fine fibers, breaking it down into a soft, fluffy texture. This material is then mixed with water and special chemicals to create a thick pulp. This pulp serves as the raw material for producing the durable sheets that make up currency notes. The next step is creating the paper. The pulp is spread out evenly onto large screens where it is pressed and dried. But this isn't ordinary paper. This is where the uniqueness of currency notes begins to take shape. During the drying process, advanced machines embed security features like watermarks and security threads directly into the sheets. These features are essential for preventing counterfeiting and ensuring the note's authenticity. Once the sheets are complete, they undergo rigorous quality checks. Each sheet must meet exacting standards, ensuring it is strong enough to endure years of handling while maintaining its distinct texture and appearance. These designs often include national symbols, famous personalities, historic landmarks, and other significant elements. Alongside these artistic details, essential security features are integrated to protect the currency from counterfeiting. These features include watermarks, microprinting, security threads, and holograms. Once the design is finalized, it is transferred onto specialized plates used in printing machines. Each plate is meticulously crafted with intricate details to ensure the accuracy and precision of every part of the note. This is the stage where the currency note truly begins to take shape. The US dollar's distinctive green and black ink is applied during the printing process. Additionally, a blue security thread and a 3D security ribbon are embedded into the note. The 3D ribbon creates an optical illusion, moving as you tilt the bill, making counterfeiting almost impossible. Another key feature is the watermark, which becomes visible when the note is held up to light. Along with this, microprinting of tiny letters and a specialized hologram add layers of security to the dollar bill, making it one of the safest currencies in the world. After printing, each note undergoes inspection by automated systems to check for any defects. Notes that fail to meet the strict standards are immediately discarded. Finally, the sheets of notes are cut into individual bills and bundled, ready to be distributed to banks and the public. Fascinated by the intricate journey of how a simple piece of cotton transforms into the mighty US dollar? Hit that subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Let us know in the comments which part of the dollar's journey amazed you the most. Your support keeps us bringing more engaging content just like this.